Riflecx Gun Care System is a complete solution for the comprehensive maintenance of firearms, ensuring their long-term and reliable operation. All products are manufactured in Poland and have received positive evaluations from the Military Institute of Armament Technology and Air Force Institute of Technology. Always disassemble the firearm according to the manufacturer's instructions and adhere to all safety procedures. Disassembling a bolt-action rifle. Secure the optics. Ensure the magazine is empty of ammunition. Disconnect it from the weapon if possible. Pull back the bolt and verify the cartridge chamber is empty. Remove the bolt from the rifle. If using a silencer or compensator, remove it before the care process if possible. Lay out the Riflecx mat on the table. Secure the mat with the Riflecx foiled cleaning cloth, which absorbs dirt perfectly and leaves a dry surface underneath. Always place the cleaning cloth with the foiled side down. Bore foam Riflecx tightly fills the barrel, effectively removing any dirt. For more convenient cleaning of long barrels, a 60-centimeter application tube is included. Shake the can for at least 30 seconds before use. Clip the application tube to the can containing the foam. To prevent foam leakage due to uneven positioning of the weapon, example, with a mounted bipod, or to protect wooden parts from foam damage, plug the barrel at the cartridge chamber end with a wiper larger than the weapon's caliber. Insert the tube into the end of the barrel, plugging the barrel outlet with your finger or until the applicator touches the wiper. Apply the foam by gradually pulling out the tube. Set the parts with the applicated foam aside for 10 minutes to allow the foam to work. Clean the remaining elements of the weapon in the meantime. If the foam starts to lose density before 10 minutes have elapsed, reapply. Gun cleaner. The strictly selected chemical composition and the highest pressure among market formulations make it effective in rinsing out all dirt, leaving the weapon clean and degreased. Gun cleaner is also safe for composite or wooden parts. Shake the can for at least 30 seconds before use. The product's high pressure and optimized formulation effectively rinse away dirt without the need to disassemble the bolt. Place the tube into the firing pin channel and remove the impurities. Wipe the rifle bolt with a cleaning cloth. Riflecx cleaning cloth. A specialized cleaning material with a very strong fiber weave, ideal for both dry and wet work. Cut resistant, leaves no threads on the clean surface. Made from cellulose and polyester, it has a high absorption coefficient. Remove the remnants of bore foam from the barrel using gun cleaner. Use gun cleaner to remove dirt from the external parts of the weapon. Clean the surface thoroughly. Remember to clean the firing pin seat and the area under the shell extractor. If your rifle has a thread at the end of the barrel, clean it. Make sure the crown of the barrel is clean. Use Riflecx cleaning cloth to remove gun cleaner residue from the weapon. After using the gun cleaner, the weapon will be clean and degreased, but unprotected. Do not store such a weapon in a gun cabinet, as there is a risk of corrosion. If the barrel was heavily fouled, use Boresnake Riflecx for thorough cleaning. Equipped with copper brushes and a wider end of the string to dry the barrel, the possibility to connect the ends significantly speeds up the cleaning process. Always use the bore snake in the caliber of the gun being cleaned. Insert the start of the bore snake into the barrel until it exits the other end. Connect the ends by tightening them firmly. Pull the bore snake straight out of the barrel, ensuring the ends are tightly twisted. Never pull the bore snake out diagonally to avoid damaging the crown. Care spray. Contains original Teflon, which regenerates micro damage to the metal and forms an effective anti-corrosion coating. It does not leave an oily film and is safe for wooden parts and composite materials, leaving a dry, shiny, and corrosion-protected surface. The hydrophobic properties of Teflon prevent water from sticking to the weapon, enhancing shooting comfort in rain or snow. Needles and sand will not adhere to the surface. To protect your weapon against corrosion, carefully apply care spray to each clean and dry part of the weapon. Remember to protect the inside of the barrel. Wipe off any excess product with a Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth. Use care spray on the surface of the rifle bolt. Always protect the firing pin channel against corrosion. Apply the care spray tube to the channel and apply the product inside. Wipe off any excess product with a Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth. Compressed air. Essential for removing sand, dust, and excess product from hard-to-reach areas. It does not contain water. Attach the application tube to the compressed air can. Always use the can vertically. Use compressed air to dry the channel and firing pin seat. Dry the barrel using wipers in the caliber of the weapon being cleaned. If you do not have a wiper, you can dry the barrel with a bore snake. Never pull the bore snake out diagonally to avoid damaging the crown. CLP Oil. Intended for lubrication of moving parts of the weapon, ensuring smooth operation and preventing jams. The oil protects against excessive wear and provides protection against corrosion even under high temperatures. Apply a few drops of oil to the bolt of the rifle. Spread evenly over the lubricated surfaces. Reassembling the weapon. Always reassemble the weapon according to the manufacturer's instructions and follow safety procedures. Insert the bolt into the weapon. Thoroughly wipe the weapon of excess preparations with a Riflecx ENG cleaning cloth or microfiber cloth. Riflecx ENG Gun Care System Hunter Set. Dedicated to double barrel and bolt action weapons. Available for purchase online or in store. Find a list of shops at riflecx.com.